Hey folks, it's another day and I have another video for you here. No, this is not the AirPods Pro. This is just a bunch of AirPod KIRFs, keeping it real fake. KIRF, K-I-R-F, keeping it real fake. So what's cool about these is that they look like basically totally normal AirPods. Yeah, and they're made in China, but by some company whose name I don't know. They just reached out to me and said, would you like to review this? I'm like, I totally am happy to review KIRF clones of the AirPods. So there they are. As you can see, this is the package. Let's open this up, shall we? Just have to lift this here and look at that. It's just like basically like AirPods. Here we go. We've got it free. And there's some other stuff in the box here, by the way. So I guess it's probably a USB to... Haha. My goodness, they even went as far as to KIRF this by making it lightning. It's probably not a real lightning connector, but there it is. A USB-A to lightning cable in the box and some instructions. Whoever knows how to read Chinese right now can probably tell us what this says. Apparently, it just unfolds. Got instructions here. It works with iOS or Android. And yeah, so anyway, as you can see from when I opened this earlier, there's a charging light. So it's basically a clone right down to the lights. Yeah, these look and feel like AirPods to me. Wow, this is kind of crazy. Total KIRF. I'm amazed they were able to ship this to me without getting in trouble. But there we go. No Apple logos anywhere. I guess that makes it safe. You notice how instead of an Apple logo, there's just a round indent here. I'm not sure if these have wireless charging. I'll let you know. But anyway, this is a really very quick unboxing of these KIRF, keeping it real fake AirPods made by this company in Shenzhen, I presume, or China somewhere, that sent them to me and insisted that I should try them out. So that's it, folks. Another quick unboxing for you. I'm not sure if I'll review these on the podcast, but I'll definitely let you know how they plan out, maybe in an Instagram story or something. So sign up to my Instagram, @TankGirl, TNKGRL. Same with my Twitter, @TankGirl, TNKGRL. Like this video, and of course, hit the notification bell, subscribe, comment in the comments below, and let me know what you think. Don't forget the podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. All these videos are complement to the podcast. We're on Google, Apple, Pocket Cast, Overcast, TuneIn Radio, Stitcher, and Spotify. So you have no reason not to subscribe. Subscribe to the podcast and all that good stuff. Tell your friends, okay? Cheers, everybody.